So Brian Stavely is making everybody look bad. It's making everybody look crazy and sound crazy. My name is Jose Martinez and I'm affected with the Mandela effect, but with the different effect. I don't believe in changes. I believe I'm seeing differences. I don't believe I'm in a simulation. I don't believe I live inside of a matrix or inside of a computer. That is a lie from Satan. What I've been trying to say for years on other people's channels, letting them know to stop talking about the changes. Because nothing is changing. We are the ones changing. We are the ones moving. So I have this subscriber that comes on my channel and tells me, Brian Stavely, it's a joke. Brian Stavely, Sideman Dan says he is a joke.
We are exposed.
They are correct. I don't have the right to ban my subscriber because he is correct. We are liars and we are a joke.
Let me explain.
And this is what I was trying to prevent 6 years ago, but nobody's listening. They think I'm a troll. They think that I'm not affected with the Mandela effect. But that's why there's a lot of confusion and everybody's fighting, is because they can't make up their minds about what is really going on.
With the Mandela effect.
So this is what this subscriber of mine told me to go check.
The Mandela effect, as we know, is nothing more than a large group of people misremembering, not least a Mr. Brian Stavely, who today thinks that not only has the famous chef Gordon Ramsay been Mandela affected, but he'd never existed at all.
He is lying.
See how the Orion people are making us look like fools? And they're correct. We are visitors, we are travelers. We come from different earths. We have different memories. That's why Sandy Diva goes crazy when she asks a question and there's 5 different answers. So to her, she thinks she's being trolled. No, we're not trolling her. We're not lying. That's what's inside of our memories. That's what Brian Stavely has the same memory as I do. So this subscriber is calling me a liar and I'm a joke. He is correct because he doesn't understand what the Mandela effect is. He doesn't see it.
Brian Stavely. Now he wants to share something with us all about Gordon Ramsay. Here we go.
Gordon Ramsay. A-Y instead of an E-Y.
Hey genius, you still say Ramsay and it's always been spelt like that. If this is your evidence to suggest that he no longer exists, then I am shocked and...
I almost spilled my water.
Who am I kidding? I knew this was going to be a bad showing from Brian.
He was Gordon Ramsay. Now he's Gordon Ramsay.
No, he wasn't. He's...
So Brian Stavely is making everybody look bad. It's making everybody look crazy and sound crazy.
always been Gordon Ramsay,
It's
as you
always
say.
been Ramsay.
No
with an
changes
A.
affect me because there are not any changes.
He doesn't see the changes. Science man Dan, he thinks that we're trolling him and we're lying to him, and we are. We're visitors here. We don't know what's going on this earth. We don't recognize their history. So to us, it looks like it changed, but it never did. That's the history that this earth has. My Bible always been KJB, King James Bible, with the B, like the little insect. But I went through a lot of channels and nobody posted KJB like I did.
Sandy,
She made a little clip on her show in
how it matches.
my memory, how it used to be on my earth. And I asked Sandy Diva, I remember the Bible this way, but everybody remembers the version, KJV version with the V. And TERESA LINCH, which I'm really grateful because she's amazing. Same thing like Sandy Diva. They're not normal.
They have a gift.
They can see things that we can't see. TERESA LINCH found evidence from my earth. It brought back memories from my planet. And that tells me I'm not crazy. There's other people that came from my earth that has the same memory. Go watch Sandy Diva's last show. I'll try to post some images on this video so you guys can see. And I got permission from Sandy Diva that I could. I support these channels. I'm not trolling them.
6 years ago.
I just saw this problem growing and growing, and I'm trying to nip it in the butt because it's going to get worse if this thing keeps going. So I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate you. And thank you for hanging in there, and things are going to get better.